Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can send money from our Binance account to another Binance account. So for that you need to open up your Binance account, and after that go to your wallet section, go to your fiat and spot wallet. After that select the crypto of your choice that you want to send from your Binance account to another Binance account. Suppose I want to send BTC, so I will just click on this option of withdraw. After that over here I will just click on this option of Binance user, and we are given 4 different options to choose from. Suppose you don't have the email address but you have the phone number, then you can just click on this option of phone number and provide the phone number of that particular user, and you will be able to send BTC to that particular Binance account. If you have the Binance ID, then just select Binance ID over here and provide the Binance ID of that particular Binance account, and you will be able to transfer Bitcoin from your account to that particular account. And that's how you send money or crypto from your Binance account to another Binance account. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.